All right. We are welcome to this Google Ad class. So in our previous video, we talk about how to set up Google Ads account, and then we also talk about how to run a new campaign on Google Ads. Now, this video will talk about how to use keyword planners to plan your ads. So I've already said this thing that you need keywords to have an effective ads or campaign on Google Ads because it's an inbound marketing platform that uses keywords for query, and when the query matches what you are bidding for, your ads tend to show. So that is why keyword planning is very important. So I want to show you how to use keyword planner in Google Ads. So the first thing we need to do as usual is to log in into our Google Ads dashboard. So we type Google Ads, Google ads.google.com. Okay. Now to bring up to this environment, then we need to sign in. So let's wait for it. It's coming up. Now when we sign it, it will take us to our dashboard where we do what we need to do. Now we already know our dashboard is still loading, and let's wait for it. Okay, now we are here now. Now this is my dashboard. Um, what I need to do is to use keywords to plan my ad. So I'll come here to where my cursor is. You can see my cursor. Here is search, here is report, here is tools and settings, and there is billing. Then I will come here to click on the tools and settings. So that will allow me. Now, other tools and settings, you see what is available. There are different tabs. We have what we call the planning, share library, bulk action, measurement, and setup. Now, what I need to do is to plan my keyword. So I need a keyword planner. So I'm going to click on keyword planner. It's coming up. Now, this is where it will bring it to. So there's what we call discover new keywords or get search volume and forecast. So this one is just like more of a library where you see keywords that are doing well. But this one is to like I want to search this particular keyword that's related to my feed or to what I need to use. So I want to see how well is it performing. Like let me give an instance. If need to set some courses, I want to see if online course as a keyword or a phrase will work. So I want to see how people search for it. Or will I say online course in Lagos? Am I making sense? So I want to see how that in Lagos is making sense. Do people really search for it? Even when they search for it, what is the volume of search? So that's what it means. So oftentimes this is what we need to do. So we'll click on discover new keywords. So it's either you start with keywords or you start with website. If you know what I think I've said something about using keywords under SEO. It's either you search from using your domain or using the word the seed. I use that word seed, but this time around let me make it right and say keywords. So let's see. Before you get to this point, by default, I have selected Nigeria because my market is Nigeria. And if your market is not Nigeria, where you are setting up your Google Ads account, you will have indicated, or when you are doing your campaign, you will have indicated that, oh, this is for the world, this is for my locality, or this is for Nigeria. So I want them, as I said, my product is meant for Nigerians, and what I sell is meant for Nigeria for now. So I will leave it the way it is. And my language by default is English. When I was doing it, I saw Chinese, but I have to delete it. My language is English. So I'm gonna type now and write let me see weight loss. Maybe I have a product on weight loss, and I want to see how is it performing. Are people really searching for this? So this could be a guide. You can't just be blinded with emotion because you sell a weight loss product and you just write weight loss. You don't know who people will Nigerians search for weight loss, and you people will see you um with it. So we'll now come here and click get result. Now it's looking for result now. Now see what we're gonna have here. Yes. So we've gotten this now. So these are the options. Look at it now. Weight loss. Now average monthly search for weight loss is between 1,000 and 10K. So the competition is so low. That shows that people are not really looking for weight loss. Am I making sense? So that and even the look at it, the bidding, the range bidding and the high range bidding. That shows that even with this, it is high, this is what it will be. When it is low, this is what it is going to go for bidding. So I'm much more into this now. Look at it, 1K. This is just an average. Now, if you have been running, if you have what I'm to say is that if you have an active Google account that is running, as in campaign that is running, now when you click on this keyword, the environment is going to change. It's not what you're seeing here. Now, because my account, I'm not running any, you can see even the sign, I'm not running any account now. Now, what am I trying to say? That I'm limited with my keywords planner. I'm limited. The features that being given to me, because there will be trend that will be showing if I have an active. If I've been running, maybe yes, the last time I ran a campaign, when I was showing you if the campaign went live, this this interface will not be what you are seeing. Yes, there will be this all this the table, but around this side where my cursor is hovering, there will be trends showing you charts. Do you understand? That shows that it's giving you more information. But with this also, I can work with it. So what do I need most is to know the search volume, the competition in it, and so on and so forth. So funny enough, weight loss is not something, it's not a keyword. Okay, look at it now. Best way to lose weight. This is more of it, and it's cheap. So if you take this thing, you might rank it. You might rank, but you will rank on first page. What the point is that are people looking for you? That's the point I'm trying to make. So if I also pick weight loss, if I have a product on weight loss, it will rank on the first page, but the search volume is high. Sorry, it's low. That's the point I'm trying to make here. So you have to look for keywords that are competitive and not that expensive. Do you understand? Because when it's so much competition, people bid for this, then you have to pay more to appear on a certain page of the Google search. Am I making sense? So that's what it means. So I want to do another one to show that. Okay, let me write because how to make money. That's what Nigeria want. They always go how to, especially they say how to make money. Yeah, let me put online. Let me see how it goes. How to make money online. They want to make money. So I'll say okay, get results. Can you now see what I'm trying to say now? Even that word, how to make money online, the average, when I say average, like you're bringing the okay, what's worse, this is what you can get. Do you understand now? So the average monthly search is between 10K and 100K. Competition is high. Do you understand? And the bidding is not that competitive. Now look at it. How to earn this keyword is expensive. The bidding you can see $139, and then the search volume is between 1K to 10K. Competition is high, but the search volume too is not high because of that keyword. That keyword makes or phrase makes sense. Do you now see how it's done now? So you have to look at what everything is high. Okay, look at this one. How can I make money online? Do you understand? So it's between 10 to 100. You can't compare it with this other. We have 10,000 to 100,000 search monthly. So about 10,000 to 100 people are searching. That is why we said Google, you do less in terms of just do the right thing, get the right keyword. So when people put in those keywords, you will come up because they don't. Oh, I need to get a house in Abuja. That is this phrase. That is those things are just are keywords. So when I type it on Google, if I've bid it right, my ad will show. And if I had a very grabbing headline, the leads or the prospective clients will click. So that is why we need to sit down on writing a good ad copy, using SEO that can rank it, and then giving it a very good attention grabbing headline. People will see it. You are not just writing something that is fanciful, you are being technical too. When talking about technical, your keywords matters because with your keywords, that is what you rank with. So many ways, so many ways, so many ways. I can come again and say, okay, oh, I want to learn about um, digital marketing. I want to see how competitive that word is, digital marketing in Nigeria. Depends on what you're looking for. So I click here. You can see about 100 to 1,000 people search for that thing. Do you understand? So and those words that are coming out of it, even Wide Fusion is the name of a company, is ranking on it. So you're just it's low digital marketing in Nigeria is high, and the bidding level is still manageable. So it's an account that is not and why it's showing is that it's telling me I've already gotten this in my one of my campaign. So you can see I have them here, digital marketing, and so on and so forth. So now if you are okay with your marketing and the keyword research, then all you need to do is to click them. So okay, now okay, let me use. I don't want to confuse you. So let me use online how to make money online. So let's see, get result. So now we're seeing it now because I want you to be you look for what is competitive and is not that costly. Do you get understand for you to really run? So I'm going to pick. Sorry, I'm going to pick this. Do you understand? As it's showing, I've selected one, and I will looking okay. Which one again? 1K to give me okay, I can make this one, you know. Okay, so just let me just pick this and this now. So when I'm done, so I will now come to plan. You now see the plan will now come. Do you want to put in a plan or an existing campaign? Like if I'm running a campaign already or I already created a campaign, so and I need to add some keyword into it. So all I need to do is to click on existing campaign. But if I have not done that, do you get it now? If I'm not done that, then I'll put it as a plan, which is by default. Now, this one also give you room to create a new ad group. So if you have not done that, you just create a new ad group and say money. Let's call it money. You get it now. You click create. Then you now come here. Now these are three types of match. We have what we call the broad match, the phrase match, and the exact match. Now the broad match is by default. That shows that it just is open, is wide. That shows it uses the keyword that you have selected to match whatever that is available that matches your keyword. Now when you talk about phrase match, that word phrase that if your keyword contains in this phrase, it will bring it up. So exact match simply means exact you want Whenever it is that exact word keyword that you have given out, let it bring it out. So sometimes we leave it at broad, let it, you understand, and um, phrase match, because when you use exact match, people might not type what that is, or you are too sure that they will type it. So people might not really type that exact word you have in mind. Now, I wrote how to make money. Any of these ones make money, your stuff will just come up. But when you say money as an exact, if that person refuses to write money, do you understand? Or how to make it online. You know, online is there, make it is there. If you have to be phrase or if it's broad, it will come up. But when you now use exact, that you can only rank or you can only bring this thing if there is word money or the way I've already stated this phrase, that's when it will come up. So you have to be strategic. So I will leave it at broad. Broad is always there. The next thing is to what? To add keywords. So when you now add keywords, so your keyword has been added to whatever campaign you are running. So that is how to plan keywords by using keyword plan. Another thing about this thing is that you can also use it when you are doing your SEO. Remember, we talk about search engine optimization, and one of the key things is to use keywords to rank on Google. So most of these SEO platform, well, keyword platforms, they are paid platforms. So if you run Google Ads, you can easily use the keyword planner to plan for your website or for your SEO. I hope that is clear. Thank you for your time.